Okay, so let us solve this question. So here the question is that if vectors A equal to cos omega t I cap and plus sin omega t j cap, B vector equal to cos omega t upon 2 I cap and sin omega t upon 2 j cap, the function of time t, that means A and B depends upon time. For various time you will get different A and B. Then the value of what value of t, or the value of t at which they are orthogonal to each other. So orthogonal to each other means both the vectors, they will be perpendicular to each other. That means let's say this is your vector A, so vector B will be perpendicular to each other 90 degree. That means we say A and B are orthogonal or perpendicular to each other. Now we know that. Let us solve this question. So what we can say, what we will use here, we will use dot product, because we know that the dot product A dot B equal to A magnitude B magnitude cos theta. Orthogonal means theta 90 degree. Theta 90 degree means cos 90 is 0. So in place of theta I can write 90 degree for orthogonal, right? So here you can write, so it's 0. A dot B will become 0. Yes. So if A dot B become 0, now let us find out A dot B. What is the value of A dot B, and we'll equate with 0 so that we can find out the time t. For what value of t it should be orthogonal, that means A dot B should be 0. So what is the formula for A dot B? Now what is there with before I cap? I cap is the unit vector, that is your coefficients. So we know that if two vectors like A vector equal to Ax I cap plus Bx j cap and B vector equal to Ay I cap plus By j cap, then what is A dot B? A dot B will be this coefficient, multiplication of coefficient, because I dot I is 1 and I dot j 0. So these terms will not be there, only I dot I terms, that means Ax By term will be there plus Bx Ax Ay term will be there and Bx By term will be there. That means the coefficient of j I will be multiplied and coefficient of j will be multiplied. This is what A dot B. So here we will use this rule for our A dot B. So A coefficient of I is cos omega t. So we'll write A dot B equal to cos omega t multiplication by cos omega t upon 2 plus sin omega t into sin omega t by 2. Now this is a formula. This is a, from trigonometric formula we can put a formula, use a formula here. So what formula we can use? We can use this formula, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B equal to cos A minus B. Cos A minus B formula is cos A cos B, cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. This is cos A minus B formula. So here cos A is what? Omega t. B is what? Omega t by 2. Similarly sin A sin B. So cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So according to our formula, this will be cos A minus B. A is omega t here, B is omega t by 2. Now omega t minus omega t by 2, take LCM 2 and 2 omega t minus omega t, so it will be cos omega t by 2. Omega t minus omega t by 2, x minus half x, so x by 2, so it is omega t by 2. Now this dot product must be 0. Why? Because this is orthogonal. Already the condition is given that this is orthogonal. So orthogonal means dot product must be 0. So that means this value must be cos omega t upon 2 must be 0. So when cos value is 0, cos 90 degree is 0, or you can say cos pi by 2 is 0. 90 degrees pi by 2 you can write, because the options are given in pi, you can say. So instead of 90 degree we will write pi by 2. that means cos 90 degree is 0. So cos omega t upon 2 is equal to cos pi by 2. So we can write what? We can write omega t by 2 equal to pi by 2. They will be equal. Cos omega t upon 2 equal to 0. That means for what value of this omega t upon 2, it should be 0. So it should be 90 degree. That means pi by 2. So that means we can write omega t by 2. If it is pi by 2, then it should be 0. So omega t upon 2 equal to pi by 2. 2 cancelled. Omega t equal to pi, or according to the question, for what value of t? For what will be the value of t so that two vectors will be orthogonal. So t we have to find omega t equal to pi, or t will be pi by omega. So for the value of t equal to pi by omega, both the vector a and b, they will be perpendicular to each other or orthogonal to each other. So option number 4 will be the answer. I hope it's clear. If it is not clear, you can write in the comment box or you can ask. Thank you.